So first we have a paper plate holder. It is considered as non-biodegradable because simply it is made up of plastic. Next we have a tea telephone. It is considered as an e-waste because it has lead and mercury, or it contains lead and mercury. Next we have an insecticide or a spray agent. It is considered as hazardous waste because it contains harmful chemicals that can cause acute poisoning or it's either this thing can trigger an asthma, especially to the person or children's. Next is um, use gauze or cotton. Use cotton. It's considered as sanitary waste because it may contain bodily fluid or blood of a human. Next, we have a rotten fruit or vegetable. It is considered as biodegradable because it can decompose naturally. And next, this is use syringe or syringe. It is considered as unsanitary waste because it can contains again bodily fluid or human blood that can infect someone or others.